Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by securing the vehicle. Park level, set the parking brake and chock the wheels. Once done, open the center console and remove the small trim or cover near the gear selector. This reveals the manual shift release. Keep the brake pedal depressed. The reason is the car's safety interlock prevents gear movement without brake input. You want your tools ready. A flat screwdriver and a flashlight help. This gets you to the point where you can access the mechanical override. With the release slot exposed, insert your screwdriver or the emergency key and press the manual override straight down. You're releasing the electronic lock. The why is simple. The electric actuator is dead without battery power, so a mechanical disengage lets the lever move. While you hold that release down, keep steady pressure on the brake pedal and move the shift selector slowly into neutral. Make sure to feel it click into place. Don't yank the shifter. Move it deliberately so linkages engage. Once the selector is in neutral, confirm it by feeling free play and testing wheel motion while brake is applied. Secure the parking brake if you will not be towing immediately or have a tow truck handle movement. Neutral alone doesn't make the car safe. Replace the trim piece and recharge or jump-start the battery to restore normal shift electronics. If the manual release won't budge, don't force it. Check the fuses and battery connections, and call roadside assistance or a dealer to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.